title is The Goose That Laid Golden Eggs. Once a poor farmer lived with his wife in a village. The farmer sold fruit and vegetables to earn his living. Once, in exchange for some vegetables, he bought a goose. Oh, the farmer bought a goose. The next morning, he went to the barn to collect the eggs. To his surprise, the goose had laid a golden egg. The goose laid golden egg? I can't believe it! The farmer was overjoyed and went home to show it to his wife. He was thrilled to see the golden egg. Each month after that, the farmer found another golden egg. Slowly and steadily, the farmer and his wife became rich because they collect a lot of golden eggs. Just if we could get all the golden eggs now, we become richer much faster, said the wife to the farmer. Oh, wife is very greedy. You can't be very greedy. That's very bad. The next morning, the farmer took his knife and went to the coop. He killed the goose and cut her open. Poor goose! The goose died. You can't be very greedy. Now the goose is very dry. Still has golden eggs or not? But there are no golden eggs inside. She was just like any other goose. Had killed their goose and would never again have any golden eggs. Oh, and the moral, greed brings grief. That's the end, guys. Thank you for watching and welcome to Meshnee channels. Bye. Oh, and subscribe my channel, like my video, press the bell notification.